So we're currently at like our favorite place that we've been almost every day since we got here, and this is called Art Beach Club, and it's at the end of Walking Street by a beach, and it's really nice. It's like a nightclub, but we always ask and we always get let in earlier, and then we can buy drinks here and just lay and chill by the pool. They have Wi-Fi as well. It's just a really nice place, and I bought this sarong for 200 baht, which is good, and it looks really nice, and I've got it on my shoulders just because I've burnt my shoulders and my back really bad, and I'm wearing this cap because I'm all red in my face as well, and I don't want to burn my face any more than I already have. So we're just lying on these little things, and because of Amelia's foot, she has to lie in the shade and she can't go swimming, which is a hassle because we went to the hospital and they charged us 500 baht. So they basically just cleaned the wound, and it was really professional, and it was a really good price, so everything went well. And now she just has to have the plaster and like the band-aid that they put on. She has to wear that for 5 days, and she can't swim in 5 days, so that's a little bit hard in like 37 degrees. But yeah, tomorrow we're leaving to Phi Phi, so it's kind of sad to leave Koh Lanta because we've met really nice friends and we've had really nice few days with them, but we're off to new adventures tomorrow, so that's exciting. I just ordered in a smoothie. This is the smoothie I got. It's got like mango, watermelon and something else. I don't remember what it was. But yeah, the full moon party here at Koh Lanta wasn't much. Like, there was a lot of people, but it's like a lot of old people. Oh wow, I really just spilled that. So yeah, Koh Lanta isn't really a party island, so I would just recommend to come here if you wanted to see beautiful beaches, really clear water. It's got a nice relaxing vibe. Everyone's so nice and so helpful here. Like, a guy drove us to our hostel for free yesterday because Amelia had cut her foot obviously, and yeah, everyone's really helpful. Yeah, I also tried the mini bananas the other day and they were really nice. They just tasted like normal bananas, but they're really cheap. Now we've been eating a little bit fancier because we met our friends that that have been eating at a bit nicer places than we have, just because we're really trying to save in on our budget. So from now on we're gonna try and save in on our money and be cheap. So now we're at this Indian place, and I got veggie korma, garlic naan bread, and then I'm gonna have some rice as well. It's really good. Hi everyone, so we are in Phi Phi now. We've been here for like 2 days, I think. I just haven't felt like vlogging, and I'm super sweaty. Our room is like not got good air conditioning. We have this, and it's absolutely, it's like cooler outside most of the time, which is bad because it's so hot. It's like 37 degrees out. But we got here with the speedboat, and the first night we got here was a Friday, so we went out with 2 other Swedish people, and we went to the banana bar, which was really good. You could play like beer pong and pool, and that was really fun. And then we went to Stockholm Syndrome, which was like a club, which was also so much fun. And then the next day we went and had brunch with another Swedish guy who was solo traveling, and we went to the beach and had lunch and stuff. And then today we have just been chilling. We've been watching some Paradise Hotel in our little hostel room. Amelia doesn't want to be shown, but we've got a bed and it's just quite small, and the bathroom is like a sauna. It is so hot, but we have Wi-Fi on 4 walls, so that's a positive thing. But now we're just gonna go down to the beach, and Amelia can't swim because I don't know if I've updated you on this. She can't swim. Yeah, she just can't swim, full stop. No. And I found a book today outside our hostel room, and it's this Swedish book that I've actually been wanting to read, so that's fun for me. I've been feeling like I needed to bring a book on this trip, but I just didn't. So, however, we're going on Wednesday and it's Sunday today, and I probably won't be able to read this, so the only thing is, if I steal it, then I could read it. Det här kommer jag klippa ut. So we went to the mango garden, and I was like, oh, I can do some editing, but I forgot my hard drive, didn't I? Yeah. And Amelia's got an iced latte. How was it? Var den stark eller? Biggest straw ever. our last breakfast in Phi Phi. It is currently almost 8 o'clock, 27th of March, and we're leaving for Phuket today. Hi everyone, we made it to our hostel or hotel, I'm not really sure what this is, in Phuket, and we're staying at the Ryan place, and so far it looks really nice and fresh. We're in the middle of the city. This is our view, and this is like the nicest place we've stayed so far. However, our drop-off dropped us like 900 meters away from where we were going, and we were like, no, this isn't our place, and he was like, yes it is. So that was a bit annoying. This is the bathroom. And this is the room. Still got the sticker but from the boat on. Take that off. We're at this sushi place called Katsu, and we haven't had sushi since we left Sweden. So we're really excited. It's expensive, but not compared to Swedish. So this is what I got. I got a rainbow mix with carrots, cucumber, avocado, and then I got this Buddha mix. I'm not quite sure what that is. Hope it's just sweet potatoes, because it's got sweet potatoes, avocado, carrot, so it's all veggie. We just finished at the sushi place, and now we're shopping. This is like our first, we're not going to buy anything probably, but this is our first like shop that we've been in, and it feels like we're home. We're in Mango, but yeah, we're in Patong right now, and the sushi was so good. We're just chilling at Starbucks now. We got a bit tired and thirsty, so we both got mocha frappuccino. Cheers. So we're in some kind of shopping mall, and we're in this food court place, which is really cool. They've got loads of different places, and it's like linked. So you're bound to find something you want here. Then we think we're gonna go for a little workout, the first workout of this trip. So that will be fun. And I looked at massage places for tomorrow, which I'm excited about. I think I'm gonna get like an oil massage. Okay, so I have yellow fried noodles with vegetables, and it's looking good. And she's got the same, but with chicken. So we just googled a place to do our nails, and it closes in like 1 hour, so we're hoping we will have time to do gel nails. Like, we don't want any extensions, we're just gonna put gel on our nails. So I have no idea what color I want or anything, but we're gonna go do that now, so I'm really excited about that. So I just did a quick little at-home workout because I don't know, I just did it in the hotel. I did a little bit of legs, and it was like 15 minutes, but my legs were shaking, so it was fine. And on the way home, I bought this plate of mango, and I'm obsessed with mango, guys. Mango is my favorite fruit. This was 80 baht, and I got quite a lot of mango here, so I'm hoping I can save some for tomorrow. I've also got some Oreos. So yeah, we're gonna watch some Paradise Hotel and just chill in our very lovely hotel room. Hi guys, so it is Thursday the 28th of March, and today I'm going to get a massage, which I'm super excited for. I hope the place is good. I checked out the reviews. So I think I'm gonna get like a full body oil massage. So kind of nervous because I've never had a professional massage in my life, let alone a full body one. So I don't really know what I can expect actually. And then we probably might be going to get our nails done. We tried to go get them done yesterday, but everywhere was closed. And then we'll just see where the day takes us. So come along. I'm back now from getting my nails done. I kind of wanted it to be more of like a mint green or like mint blue, but I got my nails done, and I just got the gel on my nails, and it was, what was it, 350 baht, which was really cheap. And yeah, kind of regret not getting a more like nudie pink shade, but I don't hate this color. I think it would look nice when I'm a little bit more tan. And then I went on massage, and I went to Mantra, I think, and they were really good, really professional. Yeah, this is the place I went, Mantra. Got a free water bottle as well. I got the oil massage, which was like a full body massage with oil, and it was okay. The nails were 400, the massage was 350 baht, which was really good for a massage. It was really nice. I had never had a professional massage before, so I didn't really know what I was expecting, but it didn't hurt that much. It was mostly just really nice, relaxing. So, and then we just went and did some shopping, so I'm going to show you what I got. Little shopping haul here. So I got this Greek yogurt pack so I can have it for breakfast 3 days or just snack if I want. I got I'm gonna eat this soon, I think. I got dairy chocolate, Cadbury's, because I haven't had that in ages. I got Oreo, peanut butter and chocolate, because I've never had that before, and peanut butter and chocolate is like my favorite combination ever. Also got Maltesers, because I freaking love them. And then we got butter. Me and Amelia are going to share this. And we also got a loaf of bread each, so we can have breakfast here at our hotel. Good morning, everyone. It is my birthday today. I'm turning 20. Sorry if you can hear all the noises from the road. We have the door open because it is freezing in here. I've probably said that before. The aircon is on 17. So we've got the balcony door open there. So today the plan is we're just going out for breakfast soon, because I wanted to have like a little bit more of a luxurious breakfast on my birthday, and then we're probably going to the beach, but quite cloudy outside. Don't know how nice it will be. And we're going to come home, tidy up and get ready, because we're going to meet our friends that we met in Koh Lanta. We're from Sweden, 3 lovely girls, and then we're going to go out with them. So that's really exciting. My skin is breaking out though, because I'm gonna get my period soon. And also I tried to edit a video yesterday, and it said that my hard drive was out of memory, and I can't delete anything because I can't find the trash bin. And I've tried to do like a shortcut to the trash bin, because like half my screen is black, so I tried to do a shortcut so I can get it on my desktop so I can see it, but it says that it can't do anything. So I think trash bin on my MacBook has like broke, so I probably won't be able to upload any videos from now on. That's great. I got crushed avocado with poached egg and the signature iced coffee. And Amelia got bet and bet.
Bacon, egg, tomato.
Yeah, orange juice.
Gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye.
So we just had a really nice brunch, and we were going to go to the beach, but it's really cloudy, so now we're going to go get a massage instead. We're on Bangla Road now.
Eller så är det Patong Beach Road.
Or Patong Beach Road, like the main road. And everyone is in our face, and they're like,
I love you, taxi.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Go Phuket, bag boxing, fly dive.
oh my god. We're in the shopping centre again now. Young Ceylon it's called. There is where I went yesterday for my massage, so we're going today again. I hope it's not the same guy, so it's like, hi, I was here yesterday, I'm coming here today again. We just had our massage. It was really good. So now we're having kind of lunch before we're gonna eat an expensive dinner with our friends. So I've got a piece of bread and some Oreos. Amelia's got a yogurt. And we're watching some YouTube. We have got ready now, and we're just about, oh yeah, it's my birthday today, by the way. I think I've already said it, but I'm 20 today. And we're about to leave. We just got ready, and we're gonna go eat dinner at a really nice Italian place. And we're gonna meet our friends from Sweden as well that we met in Koh Lanta. And Amelia and I have just got ready. So yeah, we're really excited. This is what oh shit. I'm not bringing my camera just because we are going out and I don't want it to get like stolen. So I'm just gonna be vlogging the food and stuff from my phone, but I'm just wearing this skirt, don't know where it's from. This top, don't really know where it's from. Earrings, I think, are like Primark. Really no idea. This is the look, and I've got this little ponytail in because my hair gets so poofy because of the humid weather. And then I'm just gonna wear the literally these sandals. So yeah. So hi guys, it is Saturday today. Last night was so much fun. It was really fun though. This morning we took the, well not this morning, today in the afternoon we took a taxi to Phuket Airport Hotel. It's not called that, it's called like Phuket Airport Place. And we've just been here today. We've been, what have we done? We went to 7-Eleven, we went swimming. That's what we done. Got a little bit of sun today. I haven't sunbathed in like 5 days, feels that. But this place is really nice and fresh. It's like the best place we've had so far. So everything just keeps getting better and better. But so I'm gonna show you a little tour. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Very nice, very fresh. This is the nicest bathroom we've had. This is how it looks. Okay, we've only been here for like a few hours and it's already managing to look like this. We've got a little fridge. We've got this little thing. Bags, we just realized that we need to repack. We've got 2 beds finally. Joking. And then we've got this balcony with such a beautiful view. Have you seen anything so beautiful? Yeah, I stole this book. Exposed Rebeccaellie.
Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next vlog.